Hi guys, happy Monday. We're all ready to go. Just finished packing up everything and cleaning the apartment, and now we're ready to leave. Short holiday is over. Back to normal na. So dahil malamig, ayan yung ating pa-attire. Nag-cardigan ako ng makapal na bonggang-bongga. And then my scarf, which really comfy. And then jeans. And my boots. Yung aking baling maliit. Nagtutulak na ng suitcase. And yes, we're ready to go now. Nagkilay lang ako. Kilay is life. And mascara din. Lipstick, that's it people. And let's go. We're all set guys. We got the suitcase. And the laundry and the grocery left to get. Tapos, yung bogi ni James inaayos ni Mister. And then my little one is excited. Thank you, Scotland, for the lovely memories. And the apartment was really good. Wasn't it, honey? Apart from the noise of the first night, but the rest of the... But the following night, I mean, is really good. And yes, we had a good time. Now we're heading back to the train station. We're going down the stairs with little boy. Kasi nasa second floor kami, which is the flat 3. That's why we're had to go to the stairs because there's no lift. Tapos may mga room dyan. Here. And then the flat one. So Mr. is going back up to get the suitcase and the bag. Nandito kami sa tram station, guys. Magantay ng tram kasi mabigat yung suitcase. So kailangan namin mag-tram going to train station. Here it comes. Hindi naman siya malayo, but it's wet day and luggage is heavy, so magta-tram tayo. Guys, we just passed all this puppy appeal, all the remembrance of the war. So all these puppies is for all the people who fight for the war before. Dito kami guys sa food court ng train station, and this is what they got. They got sushi bar on that side, tapos chopstick, and it's got coffee shop everywhere. Magko-coffee lang kami, and then I'm gonna feed James to have his lunch. My little man is here. Si Mister, ayun, nag-order ng coffee. Ang ingay ng music. Munti kami iwan dahil sa fridge magnet. Ay, naku, yung fridge magnet na yan. Kasi akala ko, wala pang. Kaya ako naman, busy-busy sa kakapili ng fridge magnet. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. So, buti na lang nakaabot. Nakaupo na kami and mayroon kaming pa-free coffee and food kasi we're in first class. At saka hindi siya busy masyado kasi unti lang yung nag-book ng first class. Yung aking aling maliit, oh. Oopsie. Ang kulit. Ito yung kanilang train dito. Kulit mo, mister. Do it again. Do it again. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda ng train. You're like in the plane. Yung setup nila. Paalis na kami. Somebody's happy. Peppa Pig. Hi, Mr. Peppa Pig. Mayroon na kaming drink. Nagano lang sila water tapos ako nag-coke. Kain tayo, guys. Yorkshire pudding. We're same, mister. Okay. Kain. Yung aling maliit namin inaantok. He's sleepy. Playing mommy's scarf. Is it comfy? Hi? Comfy? Kain. Coffee time tayo, guys. I got coffee with butter and crumbly. Si Mr. I think he had his already. Pampawala ng antok. My little one is already asleep here. Nakatulog. Malayo-layo pang biyahe. Coffee tayo. Hi guys! We're back home an hour ago. Kasi pagdating namin sa bahay, diretso agad sa kusina. Pinakain yung aking aling maliit kasi nagugutom na siya. We get back about 6:30. And then we had our dinner. Nag-light dinner lang kasi di ba kumain kami doon sa train. And we had a lot of snacks as well. Kasi unlimited yung snacks at saka drinks. So, medyo busog pa. Nag-ano lang si Mr. Toast bread with the beans. And me, I did have the chicken wings. So, yes, holiday is over. Back to normal now. Back to reality, but at least we had a little break. It's not too bad break, even it's horrible. Oh! I got this for you, my love. Sorry, it's late. Late yung aking ano, kasi naiwan ko yung aking anniversary card. So, I just give it to him now. Naiwan ko kasi bago kami pumunta ng Scotland. So, I told him, I just gonna give it to you pagdating sa bahay. So, yun. Na late. Isang araw lang naman. Wala na kaming gift kasi diba, I told you before na yung aking camera, sabi ko sa kanya, that's for my gift na sa aming wedding anniversary. Tapos, I bought him as well the Alexa. So, kaya sabi ko, wag na tayong bumili ng gift. Pero sabi niya, bibili daw siya nung doon kami sa Scotland. But I said, no. Just save it for Christmas. Parang may binabalak sa Christmas, no? So, yes. that's it for today, people. Put our feet up again. It's a little bit tiring day again. Back to normal tomorrow, but still gonna have a rest tomorrow one day. Kasi off semester tomorrow to recover. He's going back to work Wednesday, so relax lang. Pero hindi ako mapag-relax tomorrow kasi it's labad dami. Daming labahan. So yun nga, magpapahinga na kami. And that's it for today, people. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Be good. Bye. Bye, honey.
Bye.
Bye, daddy. Bye, baba. Bye-bye. Say thank you for watching, mommy. That's it. Clever boy. Bye. Bye.